Can I do it? I don't know. I don't know. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So we're gonna jump right in because we have no time to waste. Pinterest makes this look easy, so I'm testing it out to see if I can recreate all of my Pinterest looks for the spring and summertime with everything that I already have in my closet. So let's do it. Next up, we have this men shirt that I thrifted, these pants that I thrifted. I keep them with heels. I decided to do flats because I couldn't find the heels that I wanted to pair them with. How the shirt is like subtle to the pants. The pants are actually standing out, and you can pull the pants high-waisted or you can pull them down. I know some people, they don't like high-waisted pants, but I felt like with this type of style, because I tucked it in and I have some of my chest out here, I felt like it gave it kind of like a airy feel to it. But I like how she styled this with her high leg pants, high-waisted pants. They were super cute, but I felt like I did, I did my own thing here. It's not imitating, it's not duplicating, it's wearing things with your own style, putting your own mark on your style. And I think I did that very well. And I love how it came out. What about you? So next up, I'm a fan of do whatever you want to do with your scarves, okay? If you want to tie them up on your head, tie them up on your head. If you want to wear them on your purse, wear them on your purse. If you want to make an outfit, make an outfit. And this is what I did with this scarf here. I felt like the scarf was so colorful. Y'all, I picked this scarf up from New York when I went last year. And y'all, I feel like you can't tell me this is not the exact, if not than the Pinterest here. So I love how she's wearing heels, jewelry. You can definitely, I feel like this could be a vacation. Now, if I wrap my legs up a little bit, I could probably get away with wearing this in the summertime, y'all. I felt like it's super cute. I have my Sam Edelman shoes on. I'll link them in the description. And then I'll also link most of the outfits that I have on. I know some of them are thrifted, but I'll still find things that you guys can get as well. All you need is statement pieces. I feel like this scarf, it definitely did that. Let's get into it. All right, so we have this look coming up here with the leopard. I wanted to do a little something spicy for the girls, okay? Girls' night out, or you can even wear this with your man, okay? Listen, the capris are in, and y'all, I just thrifted some the other day, and these were only $3, okay? I wanted to go with something bold, something that made me stand out, and I'm so glad I could wear them. You guys know that I'm working on losing weight, so I feel like this outfit right here is definitely gonna be super cute in the summertime. With the corset, I don't know, I've been into corset lately, y'all, and I feel like this one just grabs me in all the right spaces, okay? All right, now if you want to turn some heads with your man or with your girls, this is the outfit for you, okay? Everything is thrifted. Now the shoes, I think they are a pretty little thing here, but y'all, all from my closet. All from my closet. All right, guys, this is the next day. I couldn't complete the other video because I was running out of time. But then I was like, let me just show y'all like the thought process that goes behind picking out each outfit. I think that would be cute to throw into this video. And excuse me because y'all, the pollen has your girl down, okay? So I wanted to complete this video for you guys so I can go ahead and get it out. So we're gonna start with these Gap linen pants here that I thrifted. And the model, I think the model has on like a beige tank. I don't think I have a beige tank in my closet. We're about to see. I thought about doing this, but it's a little off there. And then I also thought about doing this bodysuit, which could definitely work. It's not gonna quite be like the Pinterest image, but it is similar because we're not trying to copy. We're trying to add our little taste of what we already have in our closet. So I'm thinking about doing that. That's cute together. And it has the back out. It's a bodysuit. I think I got this from Ross, one of those stores. It's inside out. No, it's so yeah, I'm thinking about doing that. but I do want another option just in case that doesn't work. And here's another thing. I color code my closet so I know all of my beige things are going to be on this side. So I think that's going to actually work. I could do this, but that's not gonna work. So let's check that out. Now for this next look, I thought I was gonna use the other shirt, but I ended up using this button-up shirt. I thought it was super cute, really airy. This goes for days that you don't want your arm out. Sometimes, some days I don't want to have my arms out, and so I like these type of button-up shirts because they're airy. Like if the breeze can come into the shirt if it have to. And I paired it with my Tory Burch sandals and then this thrifted bag, but I could change this bag if I wanted to do something extra with the outfit. I could change it to this one, but I'm going for a relaxed type of fit. So I'm going to just stick with this one. And this is the outfit here. Oh, here is an outfit I kind of just went off. And sometimes you have to do this with these Pinterest inspo. Sometimes you just don't have it in your closet. And the one thing that I did have was a pink blazer. So once I saw the pink blazer in my closet, my mind just started tickling like, okay, what else? She has on these kind of almost like, it looks like circles, white circles, lines in her pants with the clog. So I'm like, okay, I have pink shoes. And then all of a sudden I was like, okay, why don't I just stack belts together? Like that might look cute. I did that and I was like, okay, this is coming together, coming together. So just taking that image and just doing more with it. Y'all already have the clothes in your closet. Just wear the clothes. Just wear the clothes. Put them together. And I think this is really good to just go in your closet and see what outfits that you have that you can wear. And so you can already have a visual of the things that you already have in your closet. So when you're out shopping, you can get those statement pieces. And also, like when an event comes, you already have an outfit in mind because you already play with things that are already in your closet. So I want y'all to get used to like recreating looks that you like and keeping them looks together. So when a event does come, you can say, oh yeah, I forgot about that outfit, but it's already in your closet. So yeah, I think this outfit turned out cute here, very relaxed fitting, especially with the sneakers. Now you guys know I can definitely layer these with some heels, but just for video purposes I decided just to go with the sneakers. And then y'all already know I love me a cute blazer. Okay, I wear blazers year round, spring, summertime, and you guys can too, because I don't really, sometimes I do thrift thicker blazers, but I tend to try to thrift thinner material blazers because I wear mine year round. And so I love a good layering, okay? Because I get hot quick and I need to make sure that I can layer the outfit that I have on. But yeah, y'all, this came out super cute. You guys are going to have to let me know which ones were your favorite in this video, and just let me know if you go into your closet and you recreate outfits. Comment below, let me know what outfits you're putting together, because you might can help me. Let's help each other help each other. Okay, can we do that? All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you comment below and let me know. I would love to know if you would like more of these videos. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.